Centuries have passed and people of West Africa have used the kente cloth to show their way of dressing. And it's a very important cloth in the lives of many people in West Africa. Today, I will be sharing with you about the kente cloth and how it affects or relates to my life. This one here is a cloth that is called the kente cloth, and it's woven by putting strands of thread together. This was developed when people of ancient days learned how to weave this cloth by studying the spider's web, and that helped them to be able to understand how to also weave and put cloths threads together to form this cloth. The kente cloth is worn by monarchs, and it shows their royalty and their authority. For me, I believe that I am born of goodly parents and of heavenly parents who love me and have divinity within me. And this helps me to be able to feel of the love my Father has for me and to display that love to my family members. Because of the love my Father has for me, I am able to show love to other people. The kente cloth is used for different occasions and has different patterns and colors. The patterns and colors represent the different things that are there in our lives. White represents purity, green harvest, yellow wealth, and so forth. Same way, I also have several different qualities that are around me that helps me to be able to interact and interface with other people that I meet in the world. The kente cloth has taught me to be able to show my different attributes with different people that I meet and has helped me to be able to integrate very properly into my society and community. In section 11 of the Doctrine and Covenants, verse 21, we are told that we should always seek first to declare the Lord's word, and then our tongue will be loosed to be able to declare our own words, the words that will put into our hearts. The same way, in our part of the world, we say that the kente cloth speaks for itself. I believe that as I strive to learn about things that I'm learning and helping myself grow, then I'll be better equipped to speak about issues that come up in the society. The kente cloth has been a very important cloth and part of the culture of people of West Africa and has helped us to be able to show our culture to the world. As I share with you this beautiful cloth, I want us to understand that in our lives we are preparing to meet our Heavenly Father, and we will need several skills that would help us and several patterns that we'll learn from other people to help us grow. As we weave these skills together, we'll be better prepared to be able to help other people learn about our Heavenly Father and help them get back to our Father in heaven again. I know that what we're going to do in this class will help us become better speakers and help us to even improve in our speaking to people everywhere